Does your back still ache, even with all the modern fixes? You've seen doctors, taken pills, done the stretches. That deep pain just won't quit, stealing your good days. What if the real answers are much older, much simpler, hiding in plain sight? We dug up 12 ancient tricks, forgotten for ages, that bring instant comfort and freedom. Your back is about to feel relief like never before. Get ready to move easy again. It's a frustrating cycle, right? You get a massage and it feels great. For a day. You take a pill and the pain dulls. For a few hours. Those modern fixes often just mask the problem. They're like putting a small bandage on a deep wound, never really getting to the source of the pain. But what if the goal wasn't just to cover up the ache, but to truly heal it? Our ancestors understood this. Without all our modern gadgets, they had to rely on a deep knowledge of how the body actually moves and fixes itself. They knew the secrets to real, lasting mobility and strength. That's the powerful ancient wisdom that's been forgotten. Today, we're bringing it back. We're going to walk you through 12 of those simple techniques, step by step, to unlock instant comfort. Real relief starts right now. Number 1. Cat-cow stretch. This move is pure ancient wisdom in action. Start on your hands and knees in a tabletop position. As you breathe in, let your belly drop towards the floor and arch your back, looking slightly forward. Then, as you breathe out, round your spine up towards the ceiling, just like an angry cat, and tuck your chin to your chest. This simple rocking motion acts like a powerful pump. It brings healing fluid to the little cushions between the bones in your back, instantly easing that stiff, stuck feeling. But what happens when the pain is locked deep inside a muscle? Number 2. Thread the needle mobility drill. This powerful move is how you wring out that deep, locked-in tension. From your hands and knees, reach one arm high towards the ceiling, opening up your chest. Then, smoothly thread that same arm underneath your body, resting your shoulder and head gently on the floor. You'll feel a deep, releasing stretch across your upper back. See? The middle part of your spine is designed to twist. When it gets stiff, your lower back is forced to do a job it was never built for. This ancient drill restores that natural healing rotation. But what if your pain isn't just general stiffness, but one single nagging knot? Number 3. Foam roller thoracic extension. This is how you erase that one stubborn knot that refuses to go away. Think of this as a powerful self-massage designed to undo the damage of constant sitting and tech neck. Simply lie on the floor with the foam roller across your mid-back. Bend your knees and gently support your head with your hands. Now slowly arch your upper back over the roller, feeling your chest open. This move targets the exact muscles that get locked up from hunching over a screen. A critical safety tip. Always be gentle and roll the muscles, never directly on your spine. But what if the pain is deeper, hiding where even a foam roller can't reach? Number 4. Child's pose stretch. This ancient move is how you gently surrender and release that deep, nagging tension in your lower back. From your hands and knees, simply sink your hips back toward your heels and rest your forehead on the floor. As you breathe, feel your entire spine lengthen, creating space and decompressing the vertebrae. It's a powerful, restorative pose that calms your nervous system and provides instant relief for a tired, overworked back. This gentle approach is pure healing. But what happens when the source of your back pain isn't even in your back? Number 5. Seated spinal rotation. Often, the real source of back pain isn't your spine at all. It's the chain reaction of stiffness that builds in your hips and core from sitting all day. This simple move is how you break that chain. While seated, sit up tall and cross one leg over the other. Gently twist your upper body toward that raised knee, using your chair for a light assist. you'll feel a powerful stretch that unlocks not just your spine, but your hips and obliques, releasing that hidden tension. This instantly restores essential mobility. But what if the stiffness has become a specific, painful trigger point? Number 6. Tennis ball trigger point release. This is how you erase those deep, stubborn knots that feel like a rock lodged in your muscle. This ancient principle of targeted pressure can bring powerful, instant relief. Simply place a tennis ball between your back and a wall, positioning it on that one specific point of pain. Don't roll around. Instead, just lean back and apply gentle, steady pressure. Hold it there and breathe deep. This tells that locked-up muscle to finally release its grip, dissolving the knot from the inside out. A critical warning: always stay on the muscle, never on your spine. But what happens when the pain isn't just a knot, but a sharp, radiating feeling that shoots down your leg? Number 7. Wall angel movement. Sometimes, the source of our pain isn't one specific spot, but our entire posture. Years of slouching at a desk create a chain reaction of stiffness that modern life locks into place. This powerful move is how you break that chain. Stand with your back flat against a wall. Raise your arms like a goalpost, making sure your elbows and wrists touch the wall. Slowly slide your arms up, then back down, like you're making a snow angel. This instantly wakes up those sleepy muscles in your upper back, teaching your body its natural, powerful alignment. But what if the foundation of your posture, your hips, is completely locked up? Number 8. Cobra stretch. All that sitting doesn't just lock up your hips. It shortens and tightens the entire front of your body, pulling your posture down. This ancient move is the perfect antidote. Lying on your stomach, place your hands under your shoulders. Gently press up, lifting your chest while keeping your hips on the floor. This powerful stretch instantly opens everything up, from your abs to your chest. But it's more than a stretch. It's actively strengthening the muscles that support your spine, rebuilding that strong, natural curve from the ground up. But what happens when the pain comes from a single, powerful muscle that's just too tight? Number 9. Knee to chest stretch. That single, powerful muscle causing so much trouble? It's often not in your back at all. It's your glutes. All-day sitting makes them incredibly tight, creating a constant, painful pull on your lower spine. This simple stretch is the fix. Lying on your back, gently hug one knee toward your chest. You'll feel a powerful, deep release run from your hip all the way through your lower back. This ancient move gently creates space between your vertebrae, providing instant relief and a feeling of pure, healing calm. But what happens when the pain isn't just general tightness, but a sharp, specific point deep inside your hip? Number 10. Standing side bend stretch. That sharp, pinpoint pain deep in your side? It often comes from a powerful muscle that connects your hip to your ribs. When it gets locked up from sitting, the pain is intense. This ancient move provides instant relief. Standing tall, reach one arm straight overhead. Gently bend to the opposite side, feeling a powerful, lengthening stretch all the way down your torso. Breathe into it. You're creating pure, healing space along your side, releasing the deep compression that causes that sharp, specific ache. This instantly unlocks hidden tension in your lower back. But what happens when the pain isn't a tight muscle at all, but a sharp, electric feeling that shoots down your leg? Number 11. Hip hinge mobility drill. That sharp, electric jolt down your leg often comes from one single mistake: bending with your back instead of your hips. This isn't a stretch. It's about learning the most powerful and protective movement your body can make. The hip hinge teaches you to move from your strong hips, using your glutes and legs to do the work, not your fragile spine. Mastering this one ancient pattern instantly protects you during every single lift, preventing that damaging compression. But what if the damage is already done, and your spine is literally squeezing a nerve? Number 12. Supine lower back twist stretch. This ancient move is how you gently create space in your spine, giving a pinched nerve room to breathe. As you twist, you're not just stretching, you're rehydrating the little cushions between your vertebrae. Think of it like wringing out a sponge, pushing out old fluid and pulling in fresh, healing nutrients. This powerful rotation also unlocks deep tension in your glutes and lower back, instantly easing that tight, compressed feeling. This isn't just a stretch. It's a way to restore the natural, healing space your spine was designed to have. Back pain rarely comes from a single problem. More often, it's a combination of stiff joints, tight muscles, restricted movement, and habits that slowly load stress into the body over time. That's why these techniques work best together, helping restore mobility, improve circulation, and reduce the tension your back has been carrying. Thanks for watching all the way through. If something in today's video helped you feel a little more comfortable or understand your body a little better, that's exactly why I make these videos. There are more videos on the channel covering posture, mobility, self-massage, muscle tension, and pain relief if you'd like to keep learning. I'll see you in the next one.